telescopes make things appear closer?
A telescope is used in looking at distant objects on Earth and in studying the stars and other heavenly bodies. A telescope works by gathering light sent from an object, more light than the naked eye can gather, and focusing it to a tiny, sharp point. This point is then magnified to an image which seems very large and close to the observer. There are two main types of telescopes, the refracting and reflecting type. The refractor uses a lens and the reflector uses a mirror to gather light. In a refractor, the observer looks directly at the object. In a reflector, he looks at its reflection in a mirror. In both kinds of telescopes, objects are seen upside down. The refracting telescope has a closed tube. In the top of the tube is the object glass, made of two or more lenses, through which the light passes from the object. This light is refracted or bent by the lenses to bright, sharp focus at the lower end of the tube, where the eyepiece is located. The eyepiece then acts like an ordinary magnifying glass and enlarges this bright image. The reflecting telescope needs only one lens in the eyepiece. Its tube is usually a skeleton framework, open at the top. At the lower end of the tube is a mirror made of glass, coated with silver or aluminum, and shaped like a large, shallow dish. Light from a star or other distant object is gathered by this mirror and reflected to a bright, sharp focus. A smaller mirror at this focal point sends the image to an eyepiece or camera.